Okay, we have a Haas Cnc Toolroom-Mill, model TM-1, serial number 1070342. Machine was new in 2008. We're going to run her. Machine has a 10.5 by 47.75 inch table. It has a spindle that goes up to 4,000 RPM. It's Cat 40. It has a Haas CNC control. You can see there's a T-slotted table. He's moving the Y. Do the X again. Oh, let's do the Z. Hold on. Z. Axes are quiet. All right, we run the spindle, the head up and down, and the tool change. Machine's original paint. Okay, we're gonna run the spindle. That's 500 RPM. Going up. 1,000. 2,000. 3,000 RPM. Again, machine goes up to 4. All right. That's your coolant system. That's your electrical cabinet back here. And we'll give you the serial number. Okay, again, walk around the back. That's your tool changer motor. All right, hey, thank you for watching our video.